As you know, RISE Tello lacks a GPS module. Instead, it uses a belly camera for locating itself. Tello FPV flying application can boost your Tello with their virtual GPS paid add-on. That way, Tello can use your mobile phone GPS and compass. Here, you can see Tello moving. Using their camera, Tello can plot their path. But he can't locate it over a real-world map. Even actual course is unknown. Now, watch virtual GPS in use into an actual flight. Taking off and moving away a few meters. Now, pressing virtual GPS button. Application command asks for aiming camera to center Tello. That way, we are recording actual mobile phone GPS coordinates and course. Once virtual GPS initialized, you can fly freely. Please notice virtual GPS button turns into a fully functional compass. We will fly around this house, next to this group of antennas, and over this rural road. Now landing. Entering flight log. Pressing over flight path, Google Earth opens. And amazing! You can review your entire flight. Thanks for watching, and please press like and subscribe buttons.